everywhere.
There's a shortage of naloxone in our city.
Arlene Lass-Kolb has been advocating about the importance of naloxone for years. Her son Jesse died of a fentanyl overdose in 2014 and says had there been a naloxone kit available, he still may be here today.
I believe that if naloxone was available, there'd be a lot more people here today.
Now, 7 years after her son's death, she's frustrated that organizations are still having supply issues when it comes to acquiring the life-saving drug, which can reverse an opiate overdose. According to the Manitoba Harm Reduction Network, which connects advocacy groups working to reduce overdoses and offer support to substance users across the province, the city of Winnipeg is currently dealing with a low supply of naloxone, which is frustrating for Kolb.
These kits should be everywhere and anywhere for anybody to access. And right now, our government, the program, is not keeping up with demand.
The shortage, according to Manitoba Harm Reduction, has been ongoing for roughly 4 weeks and has resulted in network members here in Winnipeg getting partial and incomplete shipments of the life-saving drug. For Kolb, who is also the co-founder of Overdose Awareness Manitoba, she feels the province has not been listening to those on the front lines, saying a naloxone supply should not be an issue in 2021.
I am so freaking mad. I know that there are people that do not have naloxone that will lose their loved one. That shouldn't be happening.
Kolb says the lack of naloxone in the city also creates another layer of trauma for those who are struggling on city streets.
Is it all right to just leave people high and dry, that they don't have a naloxone, that they can't save their friend, and then they've got to live with that for the rest of their lives? Talk about mental health.
In a statement, a provincial spokesperson confirmed there has been what was called a brief supply issue that caused a short-term wait for some orders. However, officials say the wait is set to be addressed and there will be sufficient stock of naloxone on hand to fill orders regularly in the coming weeks. For Kolb, she says the government needs to take action to ensure there is a consistent and reliable supply of naloxone in the city. She wants to meet with government to detail the need, as she says they need to understand that a reliable supply of these kits could mean less deaths on the streets of the city. In Winnipeg, Morgan Majeski, City News.